All right, welcome. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the game for any agency or freelancer out there. We're talking about a blueprint to break free from the old service model and launch your very own software company. And get this, without writing a single line of code.
I mean, let's be real. If you run a service-based business, this question probably hits pretty close to home, right? It's that constant hustle, finding the clients, writing the proposals, chasing down payments. It can honestly feel like a treadmill you just can't get off of. And scaling it, that's a whole other challenge.
So here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to start by really nailing down the problem, what we call the agency revenue trap. Then we'll uncover the white label solution that lets you escape. After that, it's all about action, building your platform, pricing it for real profit, and finally, scaling it into a business with predictable recurring revenue. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. Before we can find a solution, we have to put a name to the problem we're all trying to solve. We need to get to the heart of the challenge with the traditional agency model. This is the day-to-day reality for so many of us. Your income is directly tied to the hours you put in, which means there's a hard cap on how much you can earn. And sure, you can scale by hiring more people, but that just brings more headaches, more overhead. It's a cycle that leads to feast or famine income and makes building any kind of predictable revenue feel, well, almost impossible. But what if you could take all your expertise and package it up into a product? This is where everything shifts. This is where we introduce the big idea, moving from selling your time to selling your own software. And this right here is the engine for that change. GoHighLevel SaaS Mode lets you take their entire powerful marketing and CRM platform and slap your brand all over it. Your clients see your logo, your domain, your pricing. You literally become a software company overnight without the insane cost and years of development. So what does this actually mean for you? It means you are in complete control. You're not just some reseller. You are the owner. You get to decide what the plans are, you set the prices, and your brand is on every single screen. And maybe the best part? All the tedious back-end stuff like billing and managing users is totally automated. No more administrative nightmares. Okay, the potential here is obviously huge, but you're probably wondering, how hard is this to actually set up? Well, it's way more straightforward than you think. Let's walk through this simple 3-step blueprint to get your platform built. I'm not kidding, it really is this simple. First, you literally just flip a switch to enable SaaS mode in your settings. Second, you build out your pricing plans. Maybe a starter, a pro, a premium plan. You decide what features go where. And third, you customize that welcome experience for your new users so it feels polished and professional from day one. Now, here's how you turn this into a real, hands-off business. You've got to automate the money part, and that happens by connecting 2 key services. Stripe takes care of all your recurring billing automatically. It's set it and forget it. Then Twilio lets you rebill your clients for things like text messages and phone calls, and you can even add a little markup for extra profit. This is how you build a true revenue engine that works for you 24/7. All right, the tech setup is done. Now let's get into the strategy. How do you actually price your new software? And maybe more importantly, how do you make sure your clients love it so much they never want to leave? The beautiful thing here is you've got options. You could start super simple with a flat rate, say $97 a month for everything. That's a classic starting point. Or you could introduce different tiers to appeal to everyone from solopreneurs to larger teams. But the real pro move might be a hybrid model where you bundle this amazing software with your high-value consulting services. That's a killer combo. Signing up a customer is one thing, but keeping them happy for the long haul? That's the real goal. A great onboarding experience is non-negotiable. You can build out your own training portal or offer a help desk. But honestly, the secret weapon here is something called snapshots. These are pre-built campaigns, funnels, and workflows for specific industries like dentists or real estate agents. You can load these into a new client's account, and they get massive value instantly. Okay, your platform is built, it's priced, your clients are happy. Now for the fun part, growth. This is how you take this whole idea and really scale it into a business that finally frees you from that old trading hours for dollars trap. So you've built it, now how do you get people to come? There are a ton of proven ways to market a SaaS product. You could use lead magnets and cold email. You could set up automated webinar funnels that sell for you while you sleep. You could create detailed demo videos on YouTube. Hey, Don't forget about affiliate programs or just a simple, irresistible free trial to let people experience the magic for themselves. In any subscription business, retention is king. It's everything. And it's the small, consistent things that make a huge difference. You could schedule quick monthly check-ins, send out updates when cool new features drop, or even offer a surprise bonus now and then. And as your clients' businesses grow, you can even offer to train their teams, making your software absolutely essential to their operations. So let's just boil this all down. This table really says it all, connecting every feature directly to a powerful benefit for you. White labeling means it's your brand, your rules. Tiered pricing means you charge what you're worth. Automated onboarding means happy clients fast. Recurring billing, that's your passive revenue model. And snapshots are your ticket to serving any niche right out of the box. It's a straight line from feature to freedom. So, let's end with this. I want you to stop thinking just about the services you're currently offering and instead think about the problems you solve. If you could create the perfect piece of software to solve your client's single biggest pain point, what would that look like? Because with a white label solution, that possibility isn't some far-off dream. It's actually a lot closer than you think.